How to fix system freeze in Windows 10. Easy solutions. Are you tired of your Windows 10 system freezing unexpectedly, disrupting your work or gaming sessions? Fret not. In this video, we've got you covered with effective fixes to address system freezes in Windows 10. In this video, we are using 3 steps. Step 1. Scan files using CMD. Step 2. Check our hard disk errors. Step 3. Check for Windows Update. So we are going to Step 1. For this, open Command Prompt program. Never forget to select Run as Administrator option while running the program. In the command box, enter the command sfc/scannow. This will scan the system, and within minutes will finish the scanning. Once scanning is completed, exit the program, entering the command exit. Now we are moving to the second step. Check for hard disk errors. For this, open the This PC program. This will show the drivers in our computer. Select the C drive where Windows and programs are installed. Right-click and select the properties. Click on Tools menu from the display. Here you see the button Check under Error Checking section. Click on it. System will pop up window with command. No need to scan this drive. Select the option Scan Drive as we once again check any errors there in our system. System will start checking the error. This will take some time. Wait until the scanning is completed. Scanning is finished. Now we are going to the next step. Check Windows Update. Search for Windows Update from search bar. We are directed to the section where Windows will check any updates pending in our system. Click for Check for Update button. Finally, we have done all the steps. Hope your issue is solved now. If still not solved, kindly check any problem with the hardware. Thanks for watching. Never forget to subscribe us.